And I say this not as apology, but I've been pretty hard on women. I've been called a woman hater, but I'm not. I'm not. I like my sisters, but I don't like to see women acting the way these modern American women are. When I went to San Angelo, the catacombs in Rome, in Italy, there was a sign up there by the catacombs that said, "Please, American women, put on your clothes before entering this place and honor the dead." Notice to the American women. Why, it's a disgrace. They asked me, "Haven't you all got any decent women over there?" I said, "Oh, sure we have." That's that other crowd, see? But they know, just as American, that's what it was. And so, I won't have time in this meeting to tell you, in 1933, this is a woman's nation. It's the number 13. It appears in the 13th chapter of Revelation. 13 stars, 13 stripes, 13, everything's the 13th. Everything is woman, and remember, thus saith the Lord. There'll be a woman rule before the end time. She'll either be president, vice president, or it'll be the Catholic Church as a woman. I've seen her, a great woman. The nation bowed to her. It'll be one before the end time. Thus saith the Lord. Write it down and find out, you young people. See if it happens. If it isn't, I'm a false prophet. Now, just remember, that's the end. This America is a woman's nation. It's a place where she's got it freelance and man says nothing to her. She bosses. She runs everything, businesses and everything. Even got into church on the platform, the pulpit, and running it now. So there you go. See, and that's absolutely as unscriptural as Cain and Abel. Abel would be like Cain. Certainly, all these things. She's ruler and she's a goddess. That's true in America. Not you sisters, but I was always a little rough with them like that. Maybe I thought a little too rough, maybe sometimes. But how can I? If you're spiritual, you'll catch it right now. How many of you think you understand what I mean? Good.